The greatest factor that shapes the breakthroughs and innovations in the aviation industry isn't the capacity nor the range of an aircraft, it is its efficiency. You see, oil is a scarce resource, and at current rates of extraction, it won't last for a very long time. Every drop of fuel counts, and thus aircraft that are more efficient always win against aircraft that are fast or have a higher capacity. Even a small increment in the efficiency of an aircraft could mean that tons of fuel is saved. Thus, over the past few years, the aviation industry has focused on improving the efficiency of aircraft. Increments to existing technology were made to make aircraft more fuel efficient. The A350 and the 787 are some of the most efficient aircraft on the market. However, the aircraft's wing is the region that creates a lot of drag. It all has to do with the design of the wings. Laminar flow is a term that is used to describe how turbulent air is after it passes over the wings. If a wing creates a lot of turbulence, then there is less laminar flow and thus more drag. More drag means more fuel burn, and higher fuel burn simply means that it costs more to operate the aircraft. So back in 2018, Airbus made big waves in the aviation industry with reports that they were close to creating a new type of wing. Airbus deployed its new wing design on a project called the Blade, which reduced the fuel burn of the aircraft in flight by around 5%. What happened to this project and what are its next steps? Let's find out. Blade stands for Breakthrough Laminar Aircraft Demonstrator in Europe. It is a test-bed aircraft, an Airbus A340-300 with a modifiable wing that can be changed to test different forms and functions. The new wing design aims at achieving laminar flow and thus reducing wing drag. Part of the challenge of achieving laminar flow is in the design of the wings. It is a challenge to develop a wing that is simultaneously smooth enough to reduce drag in flight, has retractable slats or fasteners, robust enough to withstand ice and rain, and strong enough to hold heavy, powerful engines. But Airbus has gotten close with its A340. The outside of the wings is carbon fiber reinforced plastic with two ailerons on either side to funnel air into a laminar flow. Also, the wings have a sweep of only 20 degrees as opposed to 30 degrees for most aircraft. The new design is proven to reduce friction by 50% and overall aircraft drag by 8%. That is saving about 5% of fuel over 800 nautical miles. The aircraft achieved laminar flow at up to Mach 0.75, slower than the normal cruising speed of an A340. The project in 2018 was incredibly successful, and Airbus has said that the improvements could be rolled out to its production line as soon as 2021. Before the current aviation crisis hit, Airbus planned to test morphing wings on board its A340 in May. Morph wings replicate the precise muscle movements made by bird wings. This allows them to make subtle course corrections and preserve laminar flow. If Airbus can replicate morph wings into its A340 test aircraft, then the results could change the aviation industry forever. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the other videos on the channel.